like the other in the last video, I said we'll be using Visual Studio Code. So you basically come over to code.visualstudio.com and then you download your Visual Studio Code. I have mine here already installed. Last time we actually headed over here to get Python 3.9.7. I remember my last version was 3.9.6. So basically I could just decide to install this. It has ways of, you know, um, versioning and moving around, so I could basically just do a run here. So once I've done this run, I basically will have to install. All right, so I already have Python installed here. So what I'm going to do is I could just do an upgrade. Okay, but for now I don't want to do the upgrade because I have some things that I'm working on presently. So I don't want version issues, so let's just stick to my 3.9.6 and in let's once I fixed up the versioning issues, I can move over to 3.9.7. So basically that's what you need. Just you download your Python, you install, you download your Visual Studio, you install, and once you have done that, then you are ready for this course. And basically, let me just call it tutorial. Is using the word course makes it look as if so that's just how it is. So Visual Studio Code. All right, so we get Visual Studio Code, and before we actually get into writing our basic hello world program, okay, in programming there is a convention that whenever you are teaching a programming language, it is always necessary to start with the hello world program. So but for now I want to show you something. Okay, we can actually write our code here. All right, if I should type Python, okay, on my terminal, because I've added it to environment variables, you find out that it changes. Okay, you look here, you see that I just have these three right angular brackets. Now I can actually just do something like print, not printy, so print, I'm still typing printy, so print. All right, then I now say hello world. Oh, not wolf. So I close this and I tap enter. All right, if you look at my screen, you find out that I have the text here printed hello world. So basically what this is we have written our first Python program. So this Python, this is more like the Python interpreter. Okay, so Python is an interpreted language. In the programming world, we have compiled languages and we have interpreted languages. So Python is an interpreted language, so it uses an interpreter. Compiled languages use compilers. All right, so basically we have written our hello world program just here and now, and if you have been able to follow me up to this stage, then you have successfully started learning Python. So in the next video, we will continue with some other things. We'll get back to Visual Studio Code and install some extensions, and then from there we can continue. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share our links. Thank you very much.